Hey, it's Pastor Dan from Dexter Gospel Church with the Proverbs Practical. Thanks for watching. Today's proverb tells us one way we can increase happiness in a society. We're in Proverbs 11:10. It says, "When it goes well with the righteous, the city rejoices, and when the wicked perish, there is shouting." In general, people like it when good things happen to good people, and people celebrate when justice happens to bad people. There's a reason why coverage of everything from the Olympics to reality television focuses a little on the backstories of the people involved. They want us to like those people so that when they win things, we rejoice, we cheer, because we feel like they deserved it. We don't like it when someone we don't like wins. We're just wired to like it when the good guys win. You can see it in our entertainment. We like the good guys to face a real challenge, maybe to have to sacrifice, possibly even suffer, but we want them to triumph in the end. We want a happy ending for them. And we like that in real life too. And that should shape our society. We should set things up as much as possible so that the right behavior, whether in business, politics, life in general, is rewarded and things go well with the person who does what is right. Doing what is right, most right, is crucial to success in such a society. And this is such a mark of Proverbs, being principle-driven instead of being outcome-driven. But when we are principle-driven, rewarding doing what is morally right, then that shapes the outcomes that happens. It works best when what is right is successful and rewarded, when the righteous triumph, prosper, and succeed. We should set things up so that honesty, integrity, humility, diligence, and compassion are rewarded by our businesses, by our politics, in our churches, in our schools, and in our neighborhoods throughout our lives. And that will result in rejoicing in our society. In contrast, wickedness should never be rewarded. People will ultimately be happiest, they'll shout for joy when wicked behavior is punished. It's one of the great purposes of government in God's plan, to execute murderers, to bear the sword and create consequences for violence and oppression. If you want a happy, rejoicing society, be involved in a political and social and justice system that rewards doing what is right and brings judgment upon doing what's wrong. People are glad to hear it when the wicked are finally removed. Now, someday we'll rejoice when Christ does this, rewarding the righteous and removing the wicked. But for now, we should get as close to it as we can. I hope this video is a help to you. If so, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more content from the Scriptures. We'd love to see you in the comments in these videos, especially if you've got a prayer request or a question about the Bible. And we'd love to see you in person here at Dexter Gospel Church. Until next time, hope you stay well and live by right and wrong.